Kalikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you.
Okay, so today we are doing from Betty Crocker's microwave cookbook. We're doing this beautiful recipe. This is, let me find it here. Pork loaf with apple pie rings or apple rings. So for this recipe, it says that you need a can of luncheon meat, and then you need mustard, 2 teaspoons of mustard, and then you need 4 red apple rings. Okay, so that will be the apple, and then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So first things first, I guess. Cut the luncheon meat slightly more than halfway through the loaf into 8 sections. So, I'm just going to put this on there. Let's keep it open to that page. Okay. So, yeah, so your Spam. Get the Spam out here. Put that. So we got our luncheon meat. And then we're gonna make, I guess we're gonna make it, slice it into 8 sections. So, and then we're gonna put it in here. So 8, I think we want to do it this way. I think that looks like that's the way they did it. Yeah, it's like round in this direction. So we're just gonna do halfway through. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7, I guess that worked out pretty well. 7 slices, that should give you 8 sections. Put that in our microwave safe bowl. I gotta get something to wash my little hands with. I'm gonna wipe this up. I mean, I guess this doesn't really matter too much. The apple's gonna be just going right in the... So then I'm gonna cut the apple here. Oh no, actually, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it says first you want to do the mustard. So, I want to put a half a teaspoon of mustard. I'm not really going to measure that. Between each of the sections here. So we're just going to, yeah, this is probably like half a teaspoon. Just going to slide it on in there. Just really get it in there. Do that for each one of these. This is number 1. Yeah, so just putting the mustard in between the Spam sections that I made here, and yeah, it's looking great already. Okay, about halfway done. Putting that all together, and okay, got all the mustard. Just about got all the mustard in there. Seems like there's a lot on the top. It's not really getting in there. I think it's really supposed to get in there. Picture shows it doesn't really have too much on the top. Okay. Oh man, that smell. Just of Spam and mustard. So, yeah, done with that. And just put the lid on that. And then I want to make 8 apple rings. So I guess I'm going to be cutting it, since they're rings, probably want to be cutting it this way, I think. It's kind of what it looks like. That's what they've done there. And then insert half a slice of apple ring into each cut. And then we can put cloves on there, but I don't think we have cloves right now. I don't know, actually. I'll have to ask my producer. So, the producer says she doesn't know what's going on. So I'm just gonna make some apple rings here. I was kind of... I really like cutting apple this way. But, you know, that's what it calls for. 1, 2, I guess I only need 4, right? Because I'm going to be cutting these in half. Just do one more like this. Wow, that was yeah, I just got to get this started here. And yeah, so now I'm the guy who can't use a fucking knife on YouTube. This is fucking great. It's fucking awesome. So yeah, we're gonna. You know what? We'll just use these 4 slices here. That's good enough. That's gonna be good enough for us. I'll cut that guy in half. I'll just cut them all in half at the same time. This is there we go. Okay, now come back over to our casserole dish here, and you just want to insert them in there. You just want to insert them in there like that. Yeah, just get them right in there. Don't be shy. The loaf kind of is seeming to come apart a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna take that seed out. You know. Okay, and there we go. I think that's, yeah, I guess I had. Okay, so there it is. It's all ready to go. And now we're just gonna hop on over to the microwave. No, we do that after. Actually, it says sprinkle with brown sugar. Oh no, you're right. Actually, sprinkle with brown sugar. Yeah, you're right. So now we use these 2 lovely teaspoons of brown sugar here. Top it with that. The entire 2 teaspoons seems like. Or this is it. Oh no, yeah, it is whole tablespoons. Okay, 2 whole tablespoons. That seems like a lot of sugar for just one little piece of Spam. But who knows? Okay, so now we're just gonna put that in the microwave. Okay, so now we're over here at the microwave, and it says cover tightly and microwave on high, 100% until pork is hot. It's 5 to 7 minutes, and then let stand for 3 minutes. So, yeah, put that on there. And let's just do 5 minutes first. There we go. And then it said high, so power level. Yeah, it's already set to. No, I don't. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna pull it out there. So it did microwave, and I'm just gonna. It's hot. It's actually very hot. Holy shit. Okay, and then it says to let rest for 3 minutes. So just gonna put that on there. Okay, so it's just rested for 3 minutes. Pork loaf with apple rings. And here it is. Just gonna dig right in here. It's still pretty warm from the microwave. I don't think it smells too good, personally. But I guess So you can see you got some of that nice glaze on there from the brown sugar. So, all right, bon appetit. That's really bad. Okay, so that's like one of the worst. That's probably one of the worst things I've ever tasted in my life. My recommendation for this recipe is do not try to make the pork. I can find the name of it here again. Do not make the pork loaf with apple rings. That is not a good. Yeah, it's not a good one. So, yeah.
Mele Kaliki Maka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kaliki Maka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you.